welcome to Hatta, an absolute gem in the crown of the Emirate of Dubai. For the past 2 or 3 years, the families and companies that are coming up to Hatta are finding out about our best kept secret. The beautiful Haja Mountains, the Wadis, the fabulous Hatta Dam presents an absolutely inspiring package of adventure and excitement for all ages. Well, with everything that Hatta has to offer, a staycation of at least one night would be a really good thing to do. Because there is so much on offer here. We have mountain bike trails, we have hiking trails, we have kayaking, we have horse riding, we have an amazing heritage village, which is really fascinating, which gives you an insight into traditional Emirati life. We have the famous Hatta bee farm. You can go and experience for yourself what beekeeping is and how honey's made. So that in itself provides a day's worth of activities. And then when you come over to Hatta Wadi Hub, then you have one of the Middle East's biggest adventure parks with over 20 activities and rides. In terms of the activities for the different age groups, so the small children can enjoy hiking. We have families that go up to the Hatta sign with young children. They take their time, they look after them, and make sure that they've got plenty of water. So from 5, 6, 7, 8-year-olds, they can do the hiking trails. Then when it comes to things like the ATVs, again, they're available for children of maybe 6 or 7 onwards. Our own activities on the adventure park, we have one of the Middle East's biggest ropes courses, and children from as young as 4 or 5-year-old can go on the lower levels of those rope courses, all the way up to adults. So we have something for everyone. On site at Hatta Wadi Hub, there are over 50 glamping units, which include mountain lodges, dome tents, RV caravans. And this season, we've introduced a number of vintage RV camper vans, which have been really popular, taking people back to their roots. You can also camp, there are camping sites on the hub. So there is something for everybody when it comes to accommodation. So the season really kicks in the beginning of October, runs all the way through to April, beginning of May. You keep an eye on the temperatures during that seasonal period. Make sure that if it's in the early part, so October, or in the later part in April, make sure you've got the right clothing and you have plenty of water. Then the temperature from November to March is probably one of the best temperatures anywhere on the planet. Dubai Airport, probably about 1 hour and 20 minutes. The Palm, just under 2 hours. Somewhere close to Sharjah Mosque, only 1 hour. This is something we stress to people wanting to come visit. The drive is spectacular. If you've never been up to Hatta, you're going to drive through the desert first, and then suddenly out of the distant scenery in front of you will come the Haja Mountain. Absolutely stunning.